Don't come at me with, oh, you shouldn't make your kids help. Yes, I should. I should. All right, y'all. Day 2. I had to go to Lowe's and pick up some more cinder block because we didn't have enough for our extra. Okay, I got to look at some of my leaves that was curling up the other day to see if they are uncurling. Some of them are still curled. I'm trying to determine if it's just from water, which I think it is. Jackson, go ahead and turn on the water for the tomatoes. Let's get some water going on the tomatoes, and then we will get the beans, because I think my beans are not getting enough water. Some of my leaves are turning yellow. Okay, so back to inside the greenhouse, right? So here's what we did. I'll turn it around and show you. Okay, so I'm putting up shelving, right? So what I'm trying to ask Jackson now is, do I take the shelves and put it this way so I can have more room to put this thing back in there? This is not very helpful because it's hard to get my implements out, like my rakes and stuff. So I think I'm just going to put those things right here at the front. But I still need to determine, or do I put another stack here and make it deeper, right? Instead of, because it's just one board width now. Do I want it to come out twice as far to make a wider shelf? Or do I want to put it over here and make it a longer shelf? I think wider is better. That's in my opinion. See, some stuff already fell down, so I'm going to keep those things on the bottom. But I'm trying to not have too much, just randomized stuff, and everything to be in a place so that this can be a workable space. I still got to put back all of these things that were left out. So I'm going to get to working on that very quickly. I actually need to put, see, this came out. I don't know how it came out, but I need to stake it back to find another piece. I think this might be a little bit not strong enough. But I do have some more pins too down there to pin this down. So somebody was asking me, how is the greenhouse? The greenhouse is, it is what it is. It does what it will do, but it's not the most sturdy thing, right? It's very tenuous, meaning you got to stake it down with something. Has to have something. So we put these poles in the ground to help it, at least stay solid. And it's working for now. But anywho, that's what we're going to do. I think I'm just going to deep it, make it wider. And then we're going to get all of this stuff up off of the outside here so we can just start cleaning and doing, right? So I'm going to make sure Jackson got my, did you get the water on for the tomatoes? He's got the tomatoes on. We're going to make sure that these, I don't know why my leaves are green. They shouldn't be green. Looks like they're dying somewhere down in the bottoms. And I don't want that because I got, I do have green beans coming on my, oh, I see a pest. I see something. Get off. Get off. You dog. Uh-oh. Okay. I gotta find a remedy. And then I want to put some more plants out here because I'm always going to be growing something. I got to get peas shelled. I got to get peas off. So Jackson, I'm going to need you to get the basket and go ahead and get some of these off because these are really starting to look, I don't want to lose anything, okay? So I'm going to need you to really get the things, and we're going to go ahead and pull off what I can. And I think I'm going to replant peas back here. I'm going to replant peas, but go ahead and pull off what you can, please, while I'm in the greenhouse, okay? Okay, all right. And just for the record, my children do not like to help me in the garden. They do not love it, but I'm teaching them responsibility. I didn't bring anything outside. It's in the house. They don't like it. I'm teaching responsibility, and they're going to learn. So Don't come at me with, oh, you shouldn't make your kids help. Yes, I should. I should. They shouldn't make me work for the mortgage, but I do it. I do it. And I do it. And I don't love it every time, but I do it. And they're going to learn how to help. They're going to learn how to take care. And they're going to learn how, if for some reason they're unable to go to the grocery store, they're going to learn how to make the grocery store as best as they can in their yard. So we're going to get to it and do the things. Alrighty, you guys. So here I am just getting some of the things out of the greenhouse, or just moving stuff around. When I had originally saw this idea in a garden group that I'm in on Facebook, and that person had their boards 2 boards deep, which made the shelf a lot wider than my shelf, which is only 1 board deep. I don't know if they had different cinder blocks than what I have, but I did go out and pick up a couple more cinder blocks to try to make it 2 boards deep, but my ground is not level. And so because my ground is not level, I ended up having to put the shelf on the other side. It will work on the other side. It's just not as deep. And so, of course, my reluctant helper slides on out and gives Mom some assistance when he is available. And I do for sure bother their spirit because I'm always moving stuff. And I'm trying to figure out the best situation for, you know, what we're working with for that particular day. I had previously asked him to find something for me that he was for sure was not out here in the greenhouse. And I was for sure that it was out here in the greenhouse, and I found it. I still need to find a way to keep the sides of this greenhouse from coming up. I haven't figured that problem out yet, but once I do, I will. Y'all, we're back in the house, and we still have stuff to do out in the garden, but we did get a good bit done. I'm still not done with the greenhouse, right? I still got to get most of the stuff. I got some stuff in, but I need to just take a chair out there and just sit in the inside the greenhouse and pull in everything that needs to stay in. We do have some what's wrong? What's wrong, sister?
That doesn't matter.
What's wrong?
Let you have that.
Is it not good?
Can't cut it.
Bring it to me. I'll cut it. Bring it here. We'll help you.
You want a cardboard?
No, just give me a trash bag. I'm a Walmart bag or whatever bag. So it,
Bag that it's in, or
yeah, just give me a bag so it don't make any mess. I'll cut it. Just give me a bag. Okay. Anywho, we're in the house now. It's getting hot. It is 12:30. So it's getting hot out there. Jackson and I, we actually finished twining up the tomatoes. Well, I popped some footage in so you can at least see that. Sister caught a little bit of that. And then we got the water on. Jackson, put the timer on for the sprinkler so we don't go over the 15 minutes. Just put it on 20 minutes. We got the sprinkler up for the beans. We planted some. I had to pull some peas. It hurt my feelings because this is my first pea crop, but Zone 8B, you can still plant peas. So I planted some. We just gonna have to keep a good water. I was looking. I didn't see a ton of pest pressure. So I was happy about that. And what I was doing, I've never done this before, but I was pulling the leaves off my tomatoes. You know how they say underneath where your first tomatoes start, you can prune all those leaves off. I've never done that before. So that it can breathe through there and there's not a lot of heavy pest pressure. So I go through every couple days and I'm looking to see what's grown and I'm pulling leaves. If it's no tomatoes on it or no flowers, I'm pulling the leaves off. And it's helping. I can actually see where the breeze can get through. So and I have a lot of tomatoes that look like they're doing very well. I got some yellow ones coming. Woo. All of the plants are flowering and all of the flowered plants have little tomatoes. Peppers are doing good. We did discover a hornet's nest, so we got that down. It was on the back porch, it wasn't in the garden. So we did get that down and we killed the little baby hornets that were in there. I hope they all die in Jesus' name. Because we go in and out of that back door and I don't want anything back there. But there were 2 little nests that were starting, and so we got all that down. And Sister re-sowed the peas for me and some cucumbers. We got a little bit extra of a watering system going, trying to get the peas on an automatic water. I've got to do irrigation system. It's going to happen. I'm just going to have to get some irrigation. But for now, that's not my testimony. It's what I'm doing what I can do. So anywho, we'll be back out in the garden again. Lots of garden things happening. School is out in another week. Praise God. One more week for me, and then school is out. Jackson has to go Tuesday, and that is the last day for him. And that's going to be that for the school season, which means I'm going to be in the home doing all the things. I've got cabinets and drawers and all kinds of stuff that I just need to go through because I have too much stuff in this house. There's too much stuff. So anywho, there it is, you guys. Sister and I are getting ready to do a meal prep probably in a couple hours. We're just going to rest. I'm going to charge my phone. Jackson has to go to work. I have to pick up a prescription, Jackson, so I'm going to drive you. I got to go pick up a prescription, so I'm going to drive Jackson to work, and then I'm going to the gym. So I'll usually take him to work, and then I go by the gym. Usually nobody's, not hardly anybody in there. It's a cardio day for me. So I'm going to get that cardio done very quickly, and then I'm going to come back home, and Sister and I will start the meal prepping because we got to cook dinner anyway. So anywho, there it is. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now.